Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening settings and going straight to accessibility so you can see what's active and why it's on. If TalkBack is running, navigate with 2 fingers to scroll and double tap to activate items. This keeps you moving. Once in accessibility, scan the list for TalkBack, magnification, select to speak, and any third-party accessibility apps. Make sure you note any accessibility shortcut set to the volume keys so you don't immediately re-enable it. Now, disable each service one by one so you can control behavior and avoid accidental re-enabling. Tap a service like TalkBack, then switch its toggle off and confirm. If TalkBack is enabled, you must double tap to confirm. Next, disable magnification and select to speak, and check for third-party apps listed with accessibility permission. Open their details and revoke permission. Once done, go to Installed Apps and remove accessibility. Finish by testing basic navigation. Swipe, tap, and open apps to confirm accessibility features are off and responsiveness is restored. Make sure you disable any accessibility shortcut tied to the volume keys so a pocket press won't turn features back on. If something goes wrong and the screen remains controlled by TalkBack, press both volume buttons for 3 seconds to trigger the accessibility shortcut, or reboot the phone to clear temporary states. If problems persist, remove or update the offending app and repeat the checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.